Good morning, guys. Money Star 365, and I want to talk to you guys about the Ad Copy Pro system. Now, the Ad Copy Pro system has relaunched. It was initially shut down due to some issues with bugs and things like that, but it's relaunched and it's looking better than ever, I must say, guys. So, the system launched on this past Friday at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to dive into it a little bit more for you guys. All right. So as you can see, it's a new layout, new design, has a welcome video showing you what to do in terms of which packages to get, things like that. And as you can see, you have the profile set up, you have video training, you have the Facebook group, you can buy traffic from here as well, and you can start promoting. Now you have your promotional links up here in the bottom, which I'll click on that, and then you have your capture page link here, your sales page link, and your join page. Okay, so I'm gonna close that out. All right, so you can go to your account here. You can click on your profile. You can set up your payment processor, how you want to get paid, your personal information and things like that. The edit offer page, that's available at the $100 level. The SMS notifications also available at the $100 level. You have support, and you can log out from here also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me see what I'm going to go to. I'm going to go to the pages section, not to capture pages. Go to the video training, actually. Take a look at that. So as you can see here, you're training your brain to win. You have the ACP video trainings that are available at the $100 level for like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. But for now, I'm going to focus on the $25 package. And again, what you can do with the $25 package, you'll have access to your pre-written ads. You'll have an ad copy cheat sheet for Facebook, Facebook groups cheat sheet, 50 ways or ideas to promote any business, and you have the mindset audio training. Now, this is all available to you at the $25 level, okay? Let's take a look at the 50 ways or ideas to promote any business. Now, it's pretty much self-explanatory. It gives you different ways to promote your business, up to 50 different ways, okay? I'm not going to go into all of them. Don't want to ruin it for you guys. But again, this is something that I highly recommend that you guys look at to give you more ideas on how to promote your business if you're struggling. If you do join ACP under me, you can look at this and get some ideas on how to promote your business, different methods that you can use as well, okay? You can also use the pre-written ads. Sorry about that. You can use the pre-written ads as well. Right down here at the bottom, you see a couple of those there. Trigger words and phrases, daily ads to post, headlines, and things like that, okay? Let's see where else you go to. And the mindset audio training is something new as well. I'm not going to go into that because I haven't honestly looked at that too much in depth yet, but I'm pretty sure that's another great bonus to have. All right. So let's click on the $100 package and what you'll get with that. See, like I said, you'll have Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. All right. I don't have access to the $100 level as of yet, but when I do get that, I'll probably dive into that in another video at another time. All right. So basically, like I said, it's the relaunch for the system, okay? There's still some kinks to be worked out in terms of like adding products and things like that. But overall, the system speaks for itself. Once you join up, you can start promoting your link right away, or you can go through the products and go through the services first, develop a game plan for promoting it, and then go from there, which I highly recommend you guys do, okay? Again, I'm actually very excited about this system because I had the product before, and the original system was, was very good for me. It worked pretty well, but this updated system looks much better. This updated system makes things a bit more easier in terms of like marketing and payments and things like that, okay? So if you guys are interested in the Ad Copy Pro system, it's a one-time payment, $25 to get started, and you can also upgrade for $100 and earn additional payments as well and additional products, which is something I'm going to do myself, but I also recommend for you guys to do as well. All right, so if you're interested in joining me in ACP, I'm going to leave my link in the video below once I'm done. And if you have any questions about ACP, send me a message or leave a comment below in the YouTube section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But for now, I hope you guys have a good day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you again, leave your comments or your questions below, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, take care. Have a good one.